Hi guys, this is our trip to Baguio and this is our pick-up point in MOA. So we started at 10 p.m. So as we go along the way, we can see a lot of Christmas lights and it's so nice to see. After we reach Pampanga, we will have a short stopover for our personal necessities and to all those hindi pa nakabili ng pagkain, pwede bibili doon. Kasi ang daming mga pagkain sa sa stopover. So, dito po kami nag-stopover sa Lakeshore, Pampanga. So, after that, we proceed our trip and now we pass the Mexico, Pampanga. And later on, natutulog na po kami ng konti kasi medyo malayo pa yung biyahe. We arrive at 4 a.m. I think. So, it's a total of 6 hours of biyahe papuntang Baguio po. So, that's it. And parang medyo hindi mapagod. So, nagnap lang po kami ng konti dyan. And at this point, makikita natin na may marami lang mga lights. So, ito na po yung Baguio City. Hindi po lang, nyo lang po makikita masyado kasi it's still 4 a.m. So, ayun, we are heading to our accommodation which is malapit lang po dyan. And after that, we will also proceed to the breakfast and diretso na po yan sa mga activities for that day. So, in a few minutes, makaabot na po kami doon sa accommodation and then this will be our breakfast point. So, nandito na kami sa Good Taste Restaurant. Napakasulit po dito guys. Marami pong servings nila. And as you can see, they have a robot to serve the food to their customers. So, diba? Makaka-enjoy. And after that, we proceed to Burnham Park. So, we try different activities like we have biking. And also, on the right side, there is a boating po. So, mamaya konti, pupunta po kami doon together with the kids. And they will try to have boating for mga 30 minutes, I think. So, but for now, nag-continue po kami sa biking. Diyan po ang point ng boating nila. So, this time, we will try their strawberry taho. So, ayun, at last, hindi lang po tayo makakakita sa mga videos na strawberry taho. So, ngayon, matitikman na po natin in real life yung taho nila. So, ayun, excited po tayo na makatikim ng kanilang strawberry taho. So, kukuha na lang po tayo ng straw and then we will mix that and then taste it. So far, masarap po talaga yung strawberry taho nila. Yung sweetness ng strawberry toppings is na complement po doon sa taho. So, ayun, tumikim na po tayo. Diba? Masarap po siya. And then, medyo sa curiosity, humingi pa ako konti ng ube kasi dalawa yung flavors. They have ube and strawberry. So, minimix ko na lang yun. The next destination is the Bell Church. Yan po, parang Chinese po yan. May wishing well po sila. And then the next is the colorful houses. Yung mga houses po nila guys is very unique kasi parang nagpatong-patong po siya. Pero actually, sabi nila if you get into their location, ano po siya? Medyo may daan po. And then now, here comes the strawberry farm. Diyan po, hindi namin na-try mag-pick kasi medyo pricey po. 780 po if mag-pick ka per kilo. Pero, doon na lang po kami bumili sa pick na po nila. So, this time, meron po silang strawberry ice cream. Tumikim din po kami doon. So, masarap po yan. And next is the Egrot Stone Kingdom. Na-amaze po ako guys na isang malaking aso dyan. And then, here comes their stones. Napaka, ano po, ano ba yan? Yung stones nila is, ano po siya, oh. Yun po mga ginagawa nilang bahay. Parang, ano po siya. Matibay po. So, ayan, ginagawa nila po yung kingdom, parang kingdom. And, in the afternoon, parang sa gabi na rin, pumunta po kami sa Christmas Village. Yan po, marami pong bata dyan. And Christmas spirit po talaga. Parang napifeel mo na it's Christmas. And next is their SM Baguio. Ano po guys, hindi po naka-aircon yung mall nila dyan. So pagpasok po natin, open door lang. And then, pero malamig po siya. Parang aircon na din. And on the next day, we went to Mines View. So dyan po is napakagandang tanawin po yan. Yung view nila is napakalamig din po dyan. So ayun. After that, we proceed to the mansion. So, sa katapat ng mansion is the Wright Park. Yun po, sa tapat niyan is the Wright Park. So, pupunta po kami dyan. This is the Wright Park. Meron po siyang nice view. Meron din po siyang horseback riding. Meron po siyang maraming mga tinda. So, makikita po natin dyan. Medyo malayo po siya, konti na ilalakarin. Pero, pagdating mo doon sa dulo, meron siyang, mga paninda po na mga pampasalubong and also para mga gamit po natin sa bahay. So, ayun. Makikita po yan natin yan. A few minutes. Dun. So, nag-walk pa po kasi kami. Marami pong nakalagay na dyan, mga paintings. So, yon. Napipicture pa kami dyan kasi it's very nice view po. Doon makikita mo sa dulo yung the mansion. Okay, so this is what I told you. Maraming mga paninda, mga pasalubong at saka mga souvenir items po from Baguio City. So, ayun po. Marami diyang pagpipilian. If marami kang dalang budget, so makabili ka ng marami. And also if you have extra luggage or baggage for the plane po. So, yan. Napakaraming magagandang bags po. Look. Parang mabubudol ka po dyan. And next is the John Hay po. Yung park nila. Napakasarap ng simoy ng hangin at saka malamig na malamig po dyan. And also Baguio feels po talaga kasi there's a lot of pine trees that surrounds you on that place. So very very relaxing po and that particular place. Malapit din po siya sa Manor, yung restaurant dyan. So tingnan mo, as you can see, very good, very nice. And this is where we ate our lunch when we go back to Manila. Dyan po yan sa Marcos Highway. After taking our lunch, pumunta po kami sa gilid. May nakikita po kaming nice view pa din. So, this time, this is our way back to Manila. After lunch po kami bumaba. So, makakita na natin ang view. Yun. Hindi po tulad nung pupunta natin is gabi po yun. So, hindi natin makita masyado yung mga view. So, ngayon, it's the weather is very good. Clear po yung sky. So, napakagandang tanawin po yung nadadaanan natin. So, we pass through the expressway para medyo madali yung biyahe. Walang traffic. So, dito po kami dumaan papuntang Manila. So, ito po yung mga views. Enjoy po kayo dyan. after we pass that one. So, ayun. That's all. To sum up all our activities in Baguio. Yan lang po. We never have the chance to go to the Lion's Head kasi kino-close po nila. Thank you!